Are your emails not reaching the inbox, getting lost in the spam folder, or worse, receiving no replies at all? You are not alone. But don't worry, Meptune has got you covered. Our expert team will fix it up for you. We will help set up a custom domain, establish your MX records to ensure your emails have a professional and trustworthy address. Then, we'll add security to your email by implementing SPF, DKIM, and DMARC protocols. These layers of protection will shield your emails from spoofing, phishing, and other malicious activities. It will also let the receiver email host know that you are trustworthy, which will strongly increase your email deliverability. With our setup, your emails will land safely in the inbox and also earn the trust and credibility in the eyes of your clients. We will make everything easy so you can say goodbye to the stress of setting up your email. Reach out to us today and let's get started.